my place while I'm away. I said, where are you going? He said, Florida, son. And with a big smile on his face, he told me, I got 2 blind dogs and a 3-legged cat, and I got a mean old lady. She left me here all alone 6 months ago. Now I don't care where she's at, I'm not waiting around to see if she comes back. Take care of my 2 blind dogs and my 3-legged cat. Gillespie jumped into his truck, Florida bound. Since then I've been feeding his dogs and plowing his ground. He ain't never coming home. A postcard came from Florida. It said, greetings, son. I sure am having fun. Oh, by the way, how's my 2 blind dogs and my 3-legged cat? I found a new old lady. She's by my side and my toes are in the sand. Miami Beach is where I'm at. The farm is yours, I ain't coming back. Take care of my 2 blind dogs and my 3-legged cat. I settled in the farmhouse, just me, the dogs and cat. But one rainy night, the mean old lady sure as shooting she came back. Out the door we went, and just like that, I got 2 blind dogs and a 3-legged cat from a mean old lady. She said, don't come back with a shotgun in her hand. Ma'am and Paps is where I'm at. The farm is hers, I ain't going back. But I got 2 blind dogs and a 3